Hello Mocha Pot lovers, welcome to another Mocha Pot episode. This time I am going to share with you a lot of Mocha Pot tools that I have gathered over the last week, and I'm so excited to share this with you because they are very useful. I have here a tray of goodies and I'm going to take you through this one by one. And I have here a few Mocha Pots. These are 3-cup Mocha Express, 2-cup Bricka, 3-cup or 4-cup glass Mocha Pot, and also a 4-cup Venus. On this side I have the 4-cup Bricka, which is equivalent to 6 cups Mocha Express, and also I have here a 6-cup glass Mocha Pot and also a 6-cup glass induction Mocha Pot. First, it is this dosing ring. This one has got a triangle at the side, which is used to level the grounds in your basket, made of plastic. Now this one is another dosing ring, which is 53mm, good for all of these here, the 3-cup, 2-cup, 4-cup Mocha Pots, and then it also comes with a 58mm one, which can be used for your espresso machine portafilter baskets, and also used for 4-cup and 6-cup Mocha Pots. Next, it is called a reducer. Another one that I have here is this one, which is a coffee stirrer. Now this is good to distribute the coffee grounds in your coffee basket. And finally, I have here some coffee filters, which are also in 2 sizes. One is for 3 cups, 4 cups, and the other is for 6 cups. Now let's take a look at how to use them. Let's see how this dosing ring works. Okay, so there, put it on top of your filter basket, and then fill your basket with ground coffee, and then you turn it around so that the coffee grounds are level, and if there's any extra, this is going to be left on there and you don't need to use that, and you have here a beautifully leveled ground coffee on your coffee basket. A regular Mocha Express. Let's see how it fits like. It fits perfectly. And now let's try with our glass Mocha Pot. The glass Mocha Pot, using this one, it doesn't quite sit well, but you can still use this. Make sure you put it in the center, and you can also turn it around. And finally, for my Venus, Bialetti stainless steel Venus, let's see whether it fits okay. So it also fits very nicely. So this one is perfect for all these cup sizes. And then if we looked at the dosing ring, which is simple aluminum here, so here I can put it there. It also fits very nicely in my Venus. And let's try with our glass Mocha Pot. It also fits very nicely there. Beautiful. Now for my regular Mocha Express, also fits very nicely. This one is perfect fit. And then for my Bricka, 2-cup Bricka, it also fits nicely, although it's a little bit loose. Next, it is the larger one. This is the 58mm one that's good for 6-cup and 4-cup Mocha Pots. They come in 2 colors. One is black and the other is gold. So let's find out how they fit like. I'm going to start with my 4-cup Bricka. Fits perfectly. Okay, there you go. The black one fits also perfectly. That's for the 4-cup Bricka. Next, let's take a look at the 6-cup glass Mocha Pot. Now this one is a little bit special. You will see soon. So as I put it there, it actually is quite magnetic. It sticks with the dosing ring. And let's try with the other one. This also is magnetic. It fits perfectly. And now for the induction 6-cup glass Mocha Pot, let's see how it works. Okay, now here, beautiful. I like the material of this one. It looks really clean. And then I'm going to try my dosing ring here. It also is magnetic. There you go. My black one. Okay, that's perfect. Now, up next is the coffee stirrer. So once you have put all your ground coffee in the basket, you can use this to stir and distribute the coffee evenly. And after that, you can use the dosing ring to level and gather your coffee grounds to the center of the basket. This is the dosing ring for a 6-cup, and I'm going to fill this to the top with ground coffee. Okay, I think I just have barely enough for my 6 cup here. Tap to settle, and you can use the coffee stirrer to distribute your ground coffee evenly, and this way you actually get a good crema. And then you can use this dosing ring to gather everything towards the center. Up next, let's take a look at how to use this reducer. Now, what is a reducer? It is used when you want to reduce the amount of coffee that you will put in your basket. All you have to do is to put this in there, and you can see that it's only halfway and you can brew as normal. When you use the reducer, make sure you reduce the amount of water in the boiler as well, otherwise it will be quite diluted. So let's take a look at how this works. So I'll get some ground coffee here, fill my basket with only this much of coffee, 2 scoops of ground coffee, okay, and then I'll put the reducer there, and then I can start to brew my coffee. Okay, so before you brew, if you'd like to get a lot of crema, I would suggest that you also get a coffee filter. Now, for the coffee filter, it comes in 3 cups and also in 6 cups. Now, because this is a 6 cup Mocha Pot, I'm going to use the 6 cup filter here. Let me just get 1. There's a lot here, and it's very, very cheap as well. It comes in about 100 pieces of filter paper here. And this one is the 6 cup, and this one is the 3 cup. So it's a smaller one, okay? I would normally suggest that you wet the filter paper and then you place it underneath your pot, okay? Just right here before you put it on your boiler. Okay, so this is the purpose for the filter. So again, I'm going to try it with a smaller size, which is about, this is a 4 cup or a 3 cup. So you put it there and then it fits perfectly. If you would like any of these gadgets, you can find this on Shopee and Lazada. But if you're ordering from overseas, make sure that you allow about 10 to 14 days for shipping, because the products will be coming from Thailand. That's all I would like to share with you today, Mocha Pot lovers. I hope this video clip is useful, and if so, please click that subscribe button for more of these video clips. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.